In this video I will show you how to use the ratchet. One end of the ratchet has this strap connected to it. The other end of the strap goes into the ratchet from here and comes out from here. Now in Wuffguard, this piece has a stopper so that it can never go right through, it always stays here. Now, this button is very important to be able to open and close the ratchet. You need to push it up and open. Same way, if you want to close it, you need to pull it, push it, and close it. Now, to tighten Wuffguard, you'll open the ratchet, you'll pull this strap right as far as you can, as tight as you can. You'll close the ratchet, and then you'll start to tighten it. Now, to loosen the ratchet, you'll press this button in, open the ratchet, and simply pull from this end. You might have to press the button a few times and just pull it out. There we go, it comes out. But in Wuffguard this shouldn't come out because of the stopper. That's how you use a ratchet.